people don't sell, neither people buy stones. People buy cell phone. People buy fiber optics. And that is why you are underdeveloped and your surrounding world is developed. Because this classroom teaches people, trains people to utilize their knowledge of physics in the transformation of their mineral resources, agriculture resources, hydel resources, and you name it, and all resources they use and take them to the global and local market and they sell it and they earn money for that. They make life comfortable through that. And that is where the research is needed. So when somebody asks you that why are you doing research, you should have that image in your mind. Because the people who don't do research, they are not original. They are not producing original products. They are copying the others. And copying can never match the original. A copy can never match the original. You may have a lot of products, much cheaper, but still people will look for Japanese Sony product. People make many copies, but those who know, they know which one is the original and which one is the copy. So, research is must if you want to live a decent life in the universe. Secondly, don't worry about the universe that it will finish. I am telling you a simple thing. Keeping in view the greed of the mankind, if they had power, would they have left a single piece of bread for the 21st century? Never. If it was in the power of the mankind, they would have not left a piece of bread for the next century. But it is the beauty of the universe that it gives you your share according to your knowledge. Right? The more you know, the more will be your share in the universe. The universe is not American. The universe is not for Japanese. The universe is not for British or Pakistani. The universe is for those who know and who can utilize it. The more you know, the more will be your share. So this universe is non-property. It is the property of knowledge. So this is your universe. Learn it and it is yours. And this classroom is for that, to equip you with the knowledge, not to memorize things, but to learn for application.